Snack attack. It is breakfast time at Camp Coral. SpongeBob and Patrick wait in line. They are hungry. Patrick gets eggs that jump. SpongeBob's bread is too hard. Squidward's cereal is alive. Sandy's pancakes are terrible. The food here stinks. After breakfast, a counselor tells the campers to go to Lake Yakima. It is slapline fun time. Yay! Cheer the campers. They love slapline fun time. The campers leave. Plankton cleans up the kitchen. Then he goes to his secret lab. Hello, Mr. Plankton, says Karen. His computer is innocent. Plankton is working on a secret project. It is a mind bending machine. He calls it the Bender Vendor. It is filled with mutant snacks. Anyone who eats them will turn into a mutant. Plankton will use the mutants to take over the world. At the lake, SpongeBob and Patrick play Slapline Fun Time. Sandy plays too. Watch out, y'all, yells Sandy. Nice one, Sandy, says SpongeBob. Soon it is dinner time. SpongeBob and Patrick want to keep playing. They sneak off the dinner line. They play on the snap line for hours and hours. Then SpongeBob gets hungry. Oh no, the kitchen is closed. We missed dinner. Dinner, says SpongeBob. Patrick has an idea. Let's sneak in and grab some food, he says. He opens the window. The friends do not find any food, but they do find Plankton's secret lab. They see the mine vending machine. That looks like food we can actually eat, says Patrick. Karen helps them get some snacks out. She forgets to tell them they are mutant snacks. SpongeBob and Patrick eat all the snacks. They turn into mutants. When Plankton finds out, he is afraid he will get fired. He has to find a way to change SpongeBob and Patrick back. He gets to work. Yes, he cries when he creates the right formula. Now he has to find SpongeBob and Patrick. The mutant friends are busy having fun. They scare the other campers. They have super fast races. SpongeBob and Patrick go back to the slap line. Oh, wait, what happened to you? Asks Sandy. We're trying a new look, says Patrick. They ride the slap line straight into Sandy. Sandy goes flying right into Plankton. He still cannot find SpongeBob and Patrick. Just then, snap! SpongeBob and Patrick break the slap line. They fall into the lake. Plankton spots the mutant friends on the shore. He adjusts them right with his formula. It hits them. SpongeBob and Patrick return to regular size. Aww, says Patrick. Being a mutant was so much fun. The end.